Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2024 Triumph Speed 400 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The 2024 Triumph Speed 400 brings the world of thumpers to the British company's lineup. Featuring an all-new single-cylinder motor, the 400 is slotted as the junior member of the Speed firm, led by the Speed Twin 1200 and Speed Twin 900. As this urban-friendly sport motorcycle is all new, let's discuss what the latest Triumph Roadster is all about. The 2024 Triumph Speed 400 is powered by an all-new dual overhead cam setup liquid-cooled motor. Like the entire motorcycle, the single-cylinder power plant was designed by Triumph in England, with Bajaj Auto in India partnering for the engineering. The Bosch electronic fuel injection system is ride-by-wire. It's a solidly over-square 4-valve design that puts out its maximum of 40 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Torque peaks at 6,500 revolutions per minute, with 28 foot-pounds with the motor produced. The red line comes at 9,000 revolutions per minute. These numbers point to freeway capability and a satisfying rush in the canyons. A 6-speed transmission is matched to a cable-actuated clutch with assist and slip functions. Traction control is standard and can be defeated. The all-new chassis has a cast aluminum swing arm and bolt-on rear subframe. The fork is a beefy inverted 43mm Showa Big Piston setup, with a single shock used in the rear. Damping is fixed, with the shock adjustable for spring-preload. Wheel travel is generous, with over 5 inches at each end. A single disc on each wheel slows down the 2024 Triumph Speed 400. While there is only one disc on the front wheel, it's 300mm in diameter, and a radially mounted caliper does the business. Bosch 2-channel anti-lock braking system lets the 230mm rear disc work independently of the front. With 17-inch wheels, riders will have a broad range of rubber choices. Not that we're knocking the stock Metzeler Sportec M9 RR tires. The wheels are a 10-spoke aluminum alloy design. The ergonomics are upright and neutral. The seat height is a manageable 31.1 inches, and the curb weight is just 375 pounds with the 4-gallon fuel tank filled. The rider grasps grips slipped on an aluminum handlebar, while sitting on a roomy one-piece seat that accommodates a passenger. Rubber inserts in the foot pegs, Triumph branded, naturally, help manage the thumper vibes. The dash has an analog-style speedometer, lots of warning lights, and an LCD side display. You scroll through the dash info with your left thumb. A powered USB-C outlet lets you charge your smartphone or GPS as you ride. Lighting is LED all around, headlight, DRL, taillight, and turn indicators. The new Speed 400 is an international model. It will be manufactured by Bajaj Auto in India and at Triumph plants in Thailand and Brazil. Be patient. The 2024 Triumph Speed 400 won't be available in the United States until sometime after New Year's Day. Pricing is not yet set. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.